Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The World Around Us, we will be covering the section of vocabulary in which we will learn about farm animals. So, open up page number 29 and let's get started. Fatima's uncle Qadir lives on a farm. He invited Fatima and her family to spend a day with them. Let's learn about the things that Fatima saw at the farm. Repeat the things after me that she saw. The first thing that she saw was a horse. What was the first thing that she saw? A horse. Very good. The next thing that she saw was a goat. She also saw a duck. After seeing the duck, she saw a chicken. And the last thing that she saw was a cow. Very good. Now, all the words that we saw in the pictures are in the same category. Cow, horse, goat, chicken, and duck belong to the same category of farm animals. Now let's do an activity. Think of other animals found on a farm. Make a list on a loose sheet.